The right gadgets can make everyday life so much easier. The struggle of dealing with messy closets, cluttered kitchens, and time-consuming chores is frustrating. The good news? The perfect solutions are just a click away. The world of home gadgets has evolved, bringing smart, space-saving, and time-saving tools to transform your routine. The best part? These aren't just cool gadgets. They are practical, must-have items that you'll actually use every single day. The list ahead features 10 life-changing Amazon home gadgets that will declutter, organize, and simplify your life in ways you never imagined. The question is, are you ready to upgrade your home? Let's dive in and check out these game-changing finds. Stackable Closet Storage Basket. The Stackable Closet Storage Basket is a great way to keep your home organized. The set comes with 5 foldable storage bins, making it easy to store clothes, toys, or pantry items. The baskets can be stacked to save space or arranged separately for quick access. The durable and waterproof plastic makes them long-lasting and easy to clean. Just wipe them down. The stylish design blends well in bedrooms, bathrooms, and kitchens, helping you keep things neat. The storage bins provide a simple and effective way to reduce clutter while keeping essentials within reach. The space-saving feature makes them perfect for small homes or apartments. The convenience of these baskets makes organizing effortless. Meal Prep Kitchen Station. The Meal Prep Kitchen Station is a must-have for anyone who loves cooking. The all-in-one design makes meal preparation simple, whether at home or outdoors. The set includes 4 reusable storage containers with clear measurements, a detachable cutting board, and 5 interchangeable blades for slicing and grating. The station also comes with 6 portion cups with lids, perfect for storing sauces, oils, or dressings. The lightweight plates and vegetable peelers complete the set, making cooking efficient. The space-saving design is ideal for small kitchens, camping, or outdoor cooking. The durable material ensures long-term use, making meal prep stress-free. The organized layout keeps everything in one place, helping you cook faster and more conveniently. Bed Sheet Tucker. The Bed Sheet Tucker makes changing bed sheets effortless. The tool is designed to tuck in sheets without lifting heavy mattresses, reducing strain on your back and neck. The smooth edges help keep sheets tight, preventing wrinkles and making your bed look neat. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to use. The built-in hanging hole allows for easy storage, keeping it within reach whenever needed. The compact design makes it perfect for seniors, caregivers, or anyone who wants to simplify bed making. The strong material ensures durability, providing long-lasting use. The versatile tool also works for slipcovers and fitted sheets, making it a great addition to any bedroom. Refrigerator Organizer Bins. The refrigerator organizer bins help keep your fridge clean and tidy. The set includes clear storage bins with 4 dividers, allowing flexible organization for fruits, vegetables, drinks, and more. The stackable design maximizes space, making it easy to see everything at a glance. The durable, food-safe pet material ensures long-lasting use. The bins are perfect for kitchens, pantries, and cabinets, helping to create an organized space. The easy-to-install design requires no tools, so you can start organizing immediately. The reinforced structure prevents cracking or bending, ensuring reliable storage. The transparent design allows you to quickly find items without digging through clutter. The convenience of these bins makes meal prep and kitchen organization simple. Wall Mount Mop and Broom Holder. The Wall Mount Mop and Broom Holder is perfect for keeping cleaning tools organized. The strong adhesive strips allow easy installation on smooth surfaces without drilling. The individual holders let you place mops, brooms, or other tools exactly where needed. The secure grip prevents items from falling, keeping everything in place. The simple design helps reduce clutter, making it ideal for laundry rooms, kitchens, or camper storage. The compact size saves space while ensuring easy access to frequently used tools. The waterproof and rust-proof material makes it durable and long-lasting. The ability to keep cleaning supplies neatly arranged enhances home organization. The convenience of this holder transforms messy spaces into tidy, efficient areas. Portable Clothes Dryer. The portable clothes dryer is a space-saving solution for quick and efficient drying. The double-layer structure can dry up to 15 kilograms of clothes at once, making it ideal for apartments, RVs, or small spaces. The high-efficiency PTC heating system speeds up drying, while the smart timer allows you to set times up to 180 minutes. The automatic shut-off feature ensures safety, preventing overheating. The dryer doubles as a wardrobe when not in use, making it a versatile addition to any home. The lightweight design allows easy portability, so you can move it wherever needed. The energy-saving technology reduces electricity costs while providing powerful drying. The convenience of this dryer makes laundry stress-free. Bamboo Bath Mat. The bamboo bath mat brings natural elegance to your bathroom. The durable bamboo construction lasts longer than plastic or rubber mats. The non-slip rubber grips on the bottom keep it securely in place, preventing slips in wet areas. The lightweight, foldable design makes it easy to store or carry, perfect for indoor and outdoor use. The sleek, retro finish adds a stylish touch to any space, from bathrooms to saunas or even camping setups. The waterproof surface resists moisture, ensuring long-term durability. The bamboo material does not shrink or sag over time, maintaining its shape and strength. The natural look enhances any room's decor while providing safety and functionality. Dual compartment step can. The dual compartment step can make waste disposal effortless. The two separate compartments allow easy sorting of trash and recyclables. The stainless steel rim flips up for quick liner changes while keeping bags secure and hidden. The built-in liner pocket keeps extra bags within reach, making replacements convenient. The fingerprint-resistant silver ion coating prevents smudges and bacteria buildup, keeping it clean. The durable pedal mechanism can handle over 20 years of daily use. The sleek design fits perfectly in kitchens, offices, or workspaces, enhancing organization. The hands-free operation ensures hygiene, making waste management easier. The modern look complements any home, providing a practical and stylish solution. Bathtub pillow. The bathtub pillow provides ultimate comfort during baths. The 6 non-slip suction cups keep it securely in place, preventing it from sliding. The breathable mesh fabric ensures quick drying and prevents mildew buildup. The ergonomic 2-panel design offers thick, soft support for the head, neck, shoulders, and back. The built-in hook allows for easy hanging and storage after use. The lightweight material makes it easy to clean, either by hand washing or machine washing. The pillow adapts to fit standard tubs and spas, providing a luxurious bathing experience. The ability to fully relax while bathing makes this pillow a must-have. The convenience and comfort it offers make bath time more enjoyable. Industrial ladder bookshelf. The industrial ladder bookshelf adds both style and function to any space. The 5-tier shelf provides plenty of room for books, decor, or storage bins. The sturdy metal frame supports up to 50 pounds per shelf, ensuring durability. The modern, sleek design makes it a great addition to living rooms, bedrooms, or offices. The easy assembly takes only 25 minutes, allowing you to quickly set it up. The versatile structure lets you pair multiple shelves together for a custom look. The bookshelf's minimalist design blends well with any decor, offering a stylish way to display items. The included lifetime warranty ensures reliability, making it a valuable investment for any home.